Hey everybody, I'm really excited to announce that Web Trends Weekly has officially transitioned to dropshippingproducts.co. So, if you were a subscriber to Web Trends Weekly in the past, you know that we were a newsletter and we delivered dropshipping products on a weekly basis. And with those dropshipping products, we gave out video ads, interest targeting, product descriptions for your Shopify store, ad copies, and we also gave sales data on the products. But the problem, I think, with that format is a lot of the times you might get products on a weekly basis, but you might not be interested in selling those products. So essentially, what you're getting, even though it is really good for the value and you're getting way more value per dollar than you are paying for a subscription, you're not technically going to use this stuff. So theoretically, it doesn't hold much value at all to you. Now here, enter dropshippingproducts.co. We now show you everything. We show you every dropshipping product directly here on the site. No more weekly basis. You can go here, view all products, see our entire catalog that we have on here. And this is going to be updated on a weekly basis. I'm currently working on transferring products to it. But essentially, what this lets you do now is you get to pay for only what you need. So, say you came down here to our top selling products and you were interested in selling this phone charging cable, which has been an incredibly popular dropshipping product in this past year. As a matter of fact, I made a video on it, and you can find that video on this channel as well. This cable alone sells over 900 units per day for the supplier and brings in $35,000 plus in monthly revenue, which is insane. But it makes sense because there's definitely a wow factor here. But let's say you were interested in selling this. Now, right here, we give you a product highlight. We tell you what the available options are, what you get with those, and say you only wanted a Facebook video ad. Then you could just buy the Facebook video ad. If you just were interested in ad copy for Facebook, you could just get the ad copy. And with that, we're going to give you two variations. If you just wanted product description for your Shopify store, for your product page, you can just get that. Or if you just wanted the interest targeting for Facebook, you get that as well. Or you could just bundle everything together, and ultimately you're going to save money this way. I think that this works much better because now you're paying for what you actually want, what you actually need. And as you can see too, if we go up here to dropshipping products, you can sort by niche too. We have top selling products according to AliExpress data. We have home decor, interior design, pets, outdoors, jewelry, phone accessories, and as the list will expand, there will be more stuff added here and more categories. There's also something really cool that we're doing here. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is. So say I came over here and I was looking for one of our products. So we actually just posted it. Okay, it's not there. Let me go to pets and find it. So this right here, this puppy car seat, for example, which has been doing great. This is an excellent dropshipping product right now. So say I come over here and I type in dog car seat on AliExpress. And let's see if I sort by orders and if I can find the one. I believe this is the one. So now the cool thing you can do is you can come up here to the URL where you have AliExpress/item, and then there's an item ID right here. So you would copy and paste that, and you can actually go to our website, go to the search, and you can paste that item ID right in there. And it should bring you to the associated AliExpress product. As you can see here, the puppy car seat, it brings me directly to it. Now, right now, this might not seem like that huge of a feature, especially considering we only have about 18 products, and it's very easy to scroll through all of them. But in the next year, this site is going to grow to 200 plus products. And so I feel like this feature is going to be useful to have. So why not implement it now? Anyhow, that's it for this brief overview of dropshippingproducts.co. I hope to see you guys there, and I hope you have great success in your business ventures. Thanks for watching.